guys, good morning.
Good morning.
My name is Akash. And if I will become a prime minister, I will do many things. First of all, in small to small jobs require qualification. First of all, example, peon. In every government jobs require for peon job qualification. But in one field, they have no require any education, and that was politics. Because from beginning, in this field there are no requirement of education, and first of all we have to change this rule. Because if we have educated politicians, and we can grow our India easily. But if we have no education and every person don't aware about their rights. If I talk about health, our India from beginning is backward. Because from after freedom, every country developed, but the India is not developed. Do you know who is responsible for it? Because we have no unity. We are depend on other country. For example, China. China is the biggest country would depend to the other country. Will not depend to the other country, but the other countries depend on China. Because we have more mobiles, shoes, shirts, and many things, and this belongs from China. Really, if we don't anything, we depend on this. And from beginning, every country developed, but India's health is backward. Every country developed, but India's poor people is not developed. Rich people is rich people, and poor people is poor. Because they have no idea about their rights, and we have to need how aware them. Because they also need education. If we studied in colleges and schools, our India will change really. In India, more corruption. If we anything made, we have permission to more leaders. Because they are in many fields are corruption, they give many corruptions, but and after end work is not done. If we see that on social media, and every person use of the social media, but they are use it only for unuseless things. It made only for useful things, but what they do, they time spent on it and they don't work. And every country want that every country depend on him, and we are selfless. If I talk about farmers, we don't think, any person don't think about farmers. Every person think how they develop. But if we don't think about poor people, our India always poor. Because we have to need aware and unity. So if we have unity, after that we grow. First of all, we have to need education cheapest. Because every poor child get education. And if he got education, he change your life. So, so we have to live together in every problem, because it's not a problem for single people, it's a problem for all India. So Jai Bharat.
जय हिंद जय भारत।